there paper in your box?
Is this what you wanted? Look what Mama got. Oh, why? It's cardboard.
He's like, no, I want to sit in the box.
A mental case.
She's looking at him like he's a crazy man.
He is a crazy man.
What? You want Mommy to take the papers out? There. There. Papers are out. You're not fitting in the box. You don't fit in the box.
Aww, poor little guy. She's like, you're insane. Oh look, now she wants it.
Oh, paper, something shiny. Oh.
I love how she picks things up.